It's Sunday, the 12th of April, and a lovely sunny day. Sadly, Mocha is still here, the only dog in the shelter, so I'll spend the day with her, starting with a long walk.